Amazon versus Etsy Dropshipping, a comprehensive guide to warehousing, strategy, and shipping in 2024 for beginners. In today's e-commerce landscape, Amazon and Etsy are two of the most popular platforms for selling products. Dropshipping has emerged as a popular business model for beginners, allowing them to start their online businesses with minimal investment. This ultimate guide will provide a step-by-step approach to understanding the differences between Amazon and Etsy dropshipping, setting up warehousing, and optimizing shipping systems in 2024. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the seller doesn't keep the products in stock but instead transfers the orders and shipment details to a supplier who then ships the products directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for a physical warehouse and allows beginners to start their online businesses with minimal investment. While both Amazon and Etsy are marketplaces for selling products, they cater to different types of customers and require different strategies. Amazon primarily focuses on offering a wide range of products at competitive prices. It is suitable for beginners who want to sell generic that mass-produced products. A professional seller account for dropshipping costs $39.99 per month. Emphasizes fast and reliable shipping, making it crucial to choose reliable suppliers and shipping methods. Etsy caters to customers looking for unique, handmade, or vintage items. It is ideal for beginners who want to sell niche artisanal products. Etsy does not allow dropshipping directly, but you can use a third-party app to facilitate the process. Places more emphasis on product quality, storytelling, and customer engagement. For Amazon dropshipping, you'll need to set up a warehouse to store your products before shipping them to your suppliers. Consider factors like rent, location, and storage capacity while selecting a warehouse. For Etsy dropshipping, you can either store your products in a warehouse or work directly with your suppliers. In the latter case, ensure that your suppliers have reliable warehousing facilities to store and ship your products. When selecting suppliers, consider factors like product quality, pricing, shipping times, and customer service. Look for reliable suppliers who can offer fast and affordable shipping options. In 2024, fast and reliable shipping will be crucial to customer satisfaction. Consider the following strategies to optimize your shipping systems. 1. Offer multiple shipping options to cater to different customer preferences. Use a reliable and cost-effective shipping carrier. 3. Implement a tracking system to keep customers informed about their order's status. 4. Optimize packaging to reduce shipping costs and ensure product safety during transit. By understanding the differences between Amazon and Etsy dropshipping, setting up a suitable warehousing system, choosing reliable suppliers, and optimizing your shipping processes, you can successfully start your online business in 2024. Remember to prioritize customer satisfaction, as it will play a vital role in the growth and success of your business.